Honest question. I wonder why these aren't more popular. Are they just simply overshadowed because of the 68 to 70? I mean, they're different. They didn't sell many in 66 and 67. But I mean, all the distinct body lines. Is it too much? All the stainless trim, fastback design. Even the interior has identity. The instrument cluster. Yes, I know the interior is ratty. I have better interior. But even the door panels carried body lines. The trunk, storage area, different. Full-length console. Bucket rear seats. Why aren't they more popular? I want to know.